Hi, welcome to my art studio. I'm Lauren Espinosa with In Life Art Studio. I wanted to make this video to show you how I make brick molds for 1/24 scale, half-inch scale miniature bricks for my miniatures. So come along, see how I do this. I hope you learn a lot. Leave me some comments, follow me on Facebook at In Life Art Studio and Instagram. Watch the video and you'll see the links to those two sites. So I hope you follow me. I hope you learned something. If you have any comments, suggestions, please let me know. It's my first how-to video to make, so I'm excited. Here we go. To make these great brick molds, what I use is the Smooth On. It does a really great job, makes really soft molds, makes it easy to get the bricks out. You can just pop them out just by bending it a little and they pop right out. So I really like this Smooth On mold rubber. Today I'm going to show you how I use it. I need a new mold for my miniature bricks so I can make more at one time. I need a new mold for my cinder bricks because my other mold tore. So you do have to be careful and gentle with your molds. You can break them, and mine did tear for this one, so I need to make a new one. And then I'm going to make the mold for these buttons that are going to make great garden tiles, pavers. The first thing I have to do though is I have to fill in the two button holes here, make sure those are smooth across there. So I'm going to get some tacky glue and just fill those in with some tacky glue, make sure they're smooth across there. Okay, so like I said, you just have to make some bricks. These bricks here that I made, I used the skinny sticks and I just stacked them stacked together and glued, and then I cut and just lightly sanded around them to create the brick. These were a little more difficult because I had to drill out and then shape the squares on these cinder blocks. But what I found to be best is to use a piece of plastic, and this helps the mold, makes a smooth mold. When you go to pull the mold off, it doesn't stick, it releases very easily. Once you have the shape or the bricks that you have glued, the next step then is to create this wall to contain the mold, of course. And so I'm going to go ahead and I use just craft sticks, and we'll be hot gluing these on to the mold, and I need to make sure I have a bead of hot glue along the seam so that none of the mold is seeping through. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to get my hot glue gun.